if you like the look of those floor coverings from the Wanderful, check out how easy they are to install. And if you want to make the inside of your van look nice, check these out. So if you're anything like me, you bought a basic Sprinter van that comes with the rubber floors. And while they're great because they're easy to clean and easy to wipe off, they also look like rubber floors. So when we were looking at ways to kind of upgrade things, we had already bought a bunch of things from the Wanderful. We have their window covers for the drivers and passengers' front windows. We use their insulated cover for the windshield, and we have their insulated covers for the sliding door and the side window, and they're awesome. So we went back to their website and took a look at what other soft goods they offer, and we found these floor mats, and they are great. They go in really well. They're durable, easy to clean, and let's show you how quickly they can be put in your van. So when you buy them, they come in a roll like this, and it comes with 4 pieces. You have a long piece for the back. You have the driver's side, which is matched by these buttons. The passenger side. And the centerpiece. And the beauty is that they all go in with Velcro, and the texture on these is super nice. You have a rubber coating on the back, and it just makes it look really nice. So let's see how quickly you put these in. So we're going to start by putting the driver's side in. These are laser cut to fit just perfectly, and you have tabs that go on the factory pieces, and you just push them right on. And you can see that this is form fit just for the Mercedes piece. So here's the Velcro piece, so we'll put the center section on next. Actually, let's do the passenger side next. So it goes in. There is no locating tab, but you can see how it fits in right with a nice factory cutout. And what's going to hold this in place is the Velcro here, where the center section pops in. You can see that there's Velcro right in all the strategic places. And you have a cutout for the parking brake. So what we're going to do is just line this up around the cutout with the parking brake. And just put it in just like that. And then the last piece is the trim piece that goes in the back. And it just follows, again, those factory cutout pieces. There's a piece of Velcro at the bottom, and it just adds a really nice finishing touch. All right, and here is the finished product. And you can see this tailpiece just dresses the back of the floor really, really nice. All right, now we've had these in the van for about 3,000 miles now. They got a nice feeling under the foot, and all we've really done is sweep them out. And we have been in rain and dirt and mud, and they have stayed absolutely in great condition. They look just like they did when we put them in. And I can't be happier with how they look and the texture and the quality and the fit. And if you want something like this for your van, to dress up the front of it, give you something nice underneath your feet so that it looks finished as much as you can on one of these vans, I highly encourage you to go to the Wanderful, check out their soft goods. They come in a couple different colors, and we're super happy. So hope you guys got something from the video. This is Dan from Ramblin' Ambition, and we'll see you on the next one.